Goiânia, Brazil, a beautiful city that boasts both South American charm and dynamic development vitality. It is an important economic hub on the Brazilian Central Plateau and holds strategic status in industries such as manufacturing, pharmaceuticals, fashion, and agriculture. Goiânia serves as the capital and largest city of Goiás State in central Brazil. Recently, a 3-meter-wide FRP sheet production line independently R&D and manufactured by DNUO has been successfully exported and commissioned in Goiânia, Brazil. To ensure the precise commissioning of the production line, DNUO's team of engineers, all boasting extensive professional experience, traveled to the local site and provided full on-site support for 20 consecutive days, completing the entire workflow from equipment installation, parameter debugging to system optimization. After several days of debugging, this large-scale production line has been put into operation. With trial mass production of FRP corrugated sheets and flat sheets carried out. The equipment is operating stably, and the core indicators of the sheets, such as strength and flatness, have far exceeded expectations. The customer has spoken highly of DNUO's technical strength and delivery efficiency. This is not only a successful delivery of the equipment, but also another testament to DNUO's deep commitment to the overseas market and its success in winning trust.